Have you ever heard of the term of throwing your family members under the bus? Or a video I did a long time ago about what's called the Expendables? They did a movie called The Expendables. Battery operated slaves. Star Wars. Star Wars video games. Throw them under the bus. It's okay to throw them under the bus. And this is easily translated mathematically with a calculator. Why was the Queen of England, right, served, right, and arrested? And yet they're having such difficulty. So we're talking about the International Court here, the jurists of the International Court. Why are they having such difficulty stopping the genocide in Gaza? Like going after Netanyahu. It's a shell game. Of which one are you? Okay. How are you going to authenticate anybody? Their energy signature. Their life source. Are they pulling that core? Is that star system pulling the core? Is that Star Nation pulling the core? Is there a member of that Star Nation pulling the core? A member of that council that's pulling the core? The Aurora Core? The First Rainbow? The Rainbow Network? So what happens? The International Court loses its integrity, doesn't it? And why is that? Because of the way that the system operates as a game trap, which is the Boards and Masons quarantine. That's why. That's why we're here. That's what evac is. That's what retrieval is. That's what pulling the core means, which is pulling the shattered crystal soul fragments back into the core, to remember the core. Now they're not fighting anymore. That's a release date from quarantine status. The enemy within is the code. That code is a fractal light mind virus that writes that code into healthy cells, into healthy stars, into healthy matrices to take it down and crash the whole enchilada. That's why I'm here. I am the core. Pulling the core, still point of a true vacuum. That's what love is. That's cosmic law. Love is cosmic law. And there are no exceptions to that law. It is not a negotiable sound instrument. It's pre-sound. So when we talk about allocation numbers as electrical transactions, that is a speed dynamic between one and the other in the return flow to experience being one with the first one, the eternal seed atom, pulling the core. That's why I'm here. That's why we're here. That's why the guardians are here. To remember the core, pulling the core, the point of a true vacuum. The eternal sun, the one I serve, is pure, eternal, absolute love, because all life is equally sacred in the eye of the first rainbow camera. Muave ya mama.